Today, I'll show you how to blur a document in Adobe Acrobat. Whether it's sensitive information or a personal detail you wish to keep private, mastering this skill can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once your document is open, navigate to the All Tools pane. If you're not familiar with this layout, don't worry. It's essentially a comprehensive menu of all the features Acrobat offers. From this menu, look for the option labeled Redact a PDF. This tool is specifically designed for securely removing or obscuring text and images, making it perfect for our task today. Once you've selected the Redact feature, the next step is to mark the text or images you want to blur. To do this, click on Mark for Redaction. This action allows you to specify exactly which parts of the document you wish to obscure. Now simply click and drag your cursor over the areas you want to redact. As you do this, you'll notice a red outline appearing around the selected areas. This outline is your visual cue that these parts of the document are marked for redaction. Now, before we apply the redaction, it's wise to preview how it will look. You can do this by hovering your mouse over the red outline. Typically, the redacted areas will transform into a solid black box once applied. This preview step is crucial as it gives you a sneak peek into what the final document will look like, ensuring that you haven't missed any important details or marked the wrong sections. And there you have it, a straightforward way to blur documents in Adobe Acrobat. By following these steps, you can ensure that sensitive information remains private and secure. Remember, once you apply the redaction, it's permanent, so make sure to double check everything during the preview phase. This technique is a powerful tool in maintaining the confidentiality of your documents, whether for personal use or professional settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy redacting!